In today's video, I'll show you how to embed your Canva design directly into Google Sites so you can share your creation seamlessly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Start by logging into Canva and opening your design. Once you're happy with how it looks, click the Share button at the top right. From the menu, select More Options, then click Embed. Copy the embed code that Canva generates. Now head over to Google Sites and open the site where you want your Canva design to appear. On the right-hand panel, click Embed. Choose Embed Code and paste the code you copied from Canva. Click Next, preview your design, and if everything looks good, hit Insert. And that's it. Your Canva design is now beautifully embedded into your Google site, ready to be shared with the world. Thanks for watching. Try this today and make your site stand out with stunning Canva designs.